Jenny, and what needs fixing, Jenny?
That's me.
Yes, and what's wrong with it?
I had a medial and anterior cruciate ligament breaks.
Right.
Yeah, so they kind of fixed it, and I've got a screw in there, and it doesn't bend all the way out like it should.
Right, so can you stand and give them a little demonstration? Show us your good knee first,
Right,
so that
so-
they know what that's like.
Okay.
That's it, lovely. Yep, yeah. And then show us the one that's had the surgery. Right, okay, right, so have a seat. Now, I don't know what level of results I'm going to get. I have no idea. If it turns out good, you'll see it on YouTube later. If it doesn't, I will press delete. I'm only kidding. I'm only kidding. All right. But because this has had a physical surgery, there may be some limitations. So if you can just uncross your legs, I'm going to come around that side. And all that happens is I say a prayer. There is a higher being, whether we call that being God or Great Spirit or all that is or Source. I'm not too bothered what we call it, but there is a higher intelligence that we're all a part of. Yeah? In your body, in here, you tell yourself a story about who you are. And none of it's true. None of the story you've told yourself about who you are is true. Because that story is based on your past experiences, and you are not your past experiences. You're not even how you reacted to past experiences. Your consciousness having an experience, and your future is completely unlimited. But when you're very, very identified with the story of the past, like let's say, for example, I was talking earlier about the skeptics. If you believe you are a skeptic, then for the rest of your life, you've got to keep on being skeptical. Because who are you going to be when there's that chink of doubt, when you suddenly become not skeptical? Do you see? So skeptics usually are not happy people. And they've got to keep on being skeptical, because who are they without, who are they going to be? Are you now going to be a believer? Well, that's another, if you're a believer, that's another label. It may or may not be true. Now, what's happening for me is my hand's going really cold. Jenny, what can you feel happening?
Not much.
Not much yet? No? Okay, my hand's going really, really cold, so they're working on both. When my hands go hot, they're working on muscle. When their hands go cold, they're working on both. I don't have to concentrate on what's happening here. You'll see weird things happening with my hand. This side of the body, this leg, sometimes my toes and feet. You watch some of my videos on YouTube and watch what's happening. I'm busy talking, they're moving my hand one way, a foot's another way. Sometimes it's really, really bizarre. It's like, how do I do that with my toes? Oh, and I don't know. Right, Jenny, just stand again and just try that knee again. Now, how does that feel compared to last time?
Well, a lot easier.
It's a lot easier. Right, now rest it down. Cool. And then sit back in the chair again. Cool. So what's happening on the end of my fingers? The end of my fingers are going really cold, really, really, really cold, like I've got them in a deep freeze. And I'll just show some people here so you can see what I mean. Yeah. So I say a prayer to that higher power. All right, now having said that prayer to that higher power, I don't try and fix this. I know that the higher power is going to do whatever's in Jenny's highest good. So Jenny, again, just try that movement again. There's no trying, there's no struggle with this modality. How's that feeling?
Yeah, easier again.
Easier again, then sit down again. Right, cool.
I'll be dancing soon,
Yeah,
no?
we
Sure will. Now, your bodies look solid, but they're not, okay? You've got atoms and molecules. So Newtonian physics taught us about atoms and molecules. Quantum physics says everything is energy. We are sat in an invisible energy. Yeah? Our human aura extends about 30 feet, so I'm sat in your aura, you're sat in mine. We can sort of feel how each other feel. It's why you get amazing feelings at things like, you know, the football or the rugby, when you sat and all that energy builds up. You know, when you go see a performance in the theatre, it's why you get that energy. You can feel that energy that we're all a part of. Now, the surgeons that work with me, there's no attempt to fix. Fixing is of the ego. If you are a fixer wanting to fix things, that's your ego. But please keep on fixing things, that's good, as long as you're aware that the fixer is part of the ego. If you don't understand what I'm talking about, come along on the 28th, no, not the 28th of October, 16th of October, Wednesday, I'm at Ashburton, Hotel Ashburton, and I'm running a session called Transcending the Self, where I will take you on a journey of the self, there we go, to see You can't just say the self if you don't know the nature of the self. So to go beyond the self, you've got to understand all the different aspects. And I take you on a journey of the self, and then we go beyond the self into an enlightened state. So if you fancy that, that's in Ashburton, and that's on Wednesday. Right, let's give it another go, see how that feels.
It's probably coming up further than I've ever had it for a long time.
Yeah, oh, awesome. Now, we just need you to walk around on it a little bit as well, just to see how that feels.
Yeah.
Nice?
Yeah.
Excellent. Cool, give her a round of applause.